Okay, we are here on the second to the last day of spring in a beautiful, stunning garden in Davis County, Kentucky. Our goal today is to talk about pollinators and native plants. What are pollinators? They are butterflies, bees, moths, and even birds and bats are considered pollinators. So, why pollinators and native plants? They have co-evolved over 1,000 years, and native plants like purple coneflowers here in front of me provide just the proper nutrition for pollinators. So when pollinators emerge from their winter, they are very, very, very hungry, and in the early spring they they need nutrition. Think hungry caterpillars. And what do they feed on when they come out in the spring? The trees like the redbud, the tulip poplar, spice bush, and the ever so popular and important serviceberry tree. These pollinators are emerging from leaf litter, which is extremely important for the insect world. They can be emerging from trees, underneath the trees. So examples of natives in your garden: purple coneflower, as I mentioned, butterfly weed or Asclepias, all important. And that is a native petunia, this little guy right here. Takes a couple years to get going, but how beautiful. Other plants include royal catchfly. This red plant, called that because it's sticky, a nice native. I'm standing just beside the common milkweed plant, almost 5 feet tall here. Great feeder of butterflies. And in front of me, also full of bees, is again some purple coneflower and yellow coneflower. This plant, larger than the milkweed, the yellow right in front of me, is also a very, very good pollinator. I see bees and maybe even some little wasps on it right now. Another extremely important native is the button bush. Maybe over a week ago, it was full of pollinators. There is, you can see, a bee flying beside me right now, and it is an all-important native bush for Kentucky. Beside me here is the Joe Pye weed, which is very, very important for the monarch butterfly. When it blooms in the next few weeks, and there is a big bloom here, the monarchs stop and feed on this plant while they are on their migration route. Beside me here is another great tree, actually, for pollinators. 3 tall stalks here. That is a pawpaw tree, and it is important for the caterpillars of the zebra butterfly. We are surrounded here on Mountain Mint by brown-belted and honeybees. They are feasting in this early morning sunshine on the native plant Mountain Mint. And goldenrod, the state flower of Kentucky. Some gardeners pull it out of their garden, because it's pretty prolific. It's extremely important for pollinators. So, you have decided to plant your garden. This is an exceptional example. Provide a water source like you see back here, the beautiful fountain. And if you can, a cover. And there are trees here, as you can see, that serve as cover for the pollinators against predators, so that the predators can't just swoop in and pick them off. And if you have any further questions about anything we discussed today, contact the Davis County Extension Office. Plant for Pollinators.